Yes. So this is our New York session, and we're trading with our main account. Let us see if we can double this account in the New York session. So I'm gonna be taking some buys over here. Be taking some buys. I hope you guys in the premium group have taken it. I'm gonna come and explain to you why we are taking the buy in a bit. First, notify these guys. Okay, so we're taking some buys here. Already in. Looks very nice trade. Our stop loss is going to be below this area here. And if you're to look at this trade, we are having the market giving us this impulse. What's there? This is our first impulse. Then our second impulse. And then we are having our pullback back to this zone here, testing this zone here. So if you have to drag our stop loss below here, shall be losing around $150. So in total, our loss would be like that's how many. I think we can add in some more positions because this buy looks spicy. So for our take profit, let us see if we can. I think we can have our first take profit around here, around $200. That would be our first take profit, and then we can hold till here to the upside. By the time it reaches here, I think we would have doubled the account already. So our risk to reward ratio, you see that it is very, very big, risking $150 per trade. And our first take profit is 200, then the rest is 500. Very nice trade. Very beautiful trade. So let us see how this trade goes. So our TP1 has been nice. Our TP1 is done. So we had opened around 4 positions, shall close 2, and those 2 will be covering our stop loss in case the market reverses. So that one will be my break even, just in case. So I'll close 2. We're closing 2. We are already at 3k. So we shall hold the rest, take profit. 2. Let's see how it goes.